Good morning. Today is November the 7th, and the daily devotional comes from Hebrews 8, where the author is comparing the old and new covenant, or plan, if you will, while maintaining that God's goal has never changed. Let me give an example. Old plan, God's law chiseled in stone. New plan, God's law in our minds and written on our hearts. Two different plans, but the same goal. God has always maintained that he wants to have or be in relationship with his people. We can be so encouraged by this word. Sometimes the plans that we have just don't work out the way that we intend and thought that they would. But that plan not working could give an occasion or opportunity for us to look for a second, just like it did our Heavenly Father. Remember the words of Rob Dial. If the plan doesn't work, change the plan, but never the goal. God bless and have a great day.